I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make keto gummy bears. These delightful, sugar-free treats are surprisingly easy to create right in your own kitchen. They offer a fantastic way to satisfy your sweet cravings without derailing your low-carb lifestyle. We will cover everything from essential ingredients to helpful tips for achieving that perfect chewy texture. Get ready to enjoy a guilt-free, flavorful snack that everyone will love. To begin, you will need a few core ingredients. Unflavored gelatin, typically 2 to 3 tablespoons, is essential for giving your gummies their signature chewiness. For sweetness, opt for a keto-approved option such as erythritol, stevia, or monk fruit, adjusting to your taste. Flavor can come from sugar-free Jell-O mix, a few drops of fruit extract, or even berry powder. Finally, a half cup of cold water or another liquid base will bring it all together. The preparation is straightforward. First, combine your unflavored gelatin, chosen sweetener, and cold liquid in a heat-safe bowl. Whisk these ingredients thoroughly until well combined. Next, gently heat the mixture over low heat or in a microwave for about 3 minutes, stirring until it becomes clear and all granules are dissolved. Then, stir in your desired flavorings. Finally, carefully pour the warm liquid into silicone gummy molds and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to set. For the best results, remember a few key tips. Whisk your mixture very well to avoid any lumps, ensuring a perfectly smooth consistency. Placing your silicone molds on a baking sheet before filling makes them much easier to transfer to the refrigerator. While they may set in 30 minutes, chilling them overnight often yields a firmer, chewier texture. Once set, store your delicious keto gummy bears in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.